Good morning and welcome to Thailand. I've just got my motorcycle all loaded up. We're headed south. I don't know how many miles we're gonna put in today, but I guess we will find out together just how far we make it. The bike is, like I said, loaded down. I went with a different pack on this trip, all high and just behind me on my back seat and luggage rack. No saddlebags because some of these towns are pretty tight and lane splitting is a very common thing here, and I just want to be agile and maneuverable. After seeing Bangkok, I realized just how necessary lane splitting can be. So it's a simple pack. I've just got this Harley Davidson kind of soft bag strapped to the luggage rack here. And then on top, I just got my Sandoval bag by Ciro 3D, which is waterproof and has this accessing flaps. I get all my phone mounts and holders and things like that. Often y'all ask me in my videos, if I'm traveling solo, how am I getting these photos of myself? Well, the answer is tripods, photo timers, video timers, and asking people around me to help. So here you will see the hotel I stayed at. This hotel cost me a total of $175 US for 2 nights. It has 2 beautiful pool areas just like this, although I don't know why you'd use them because it is directly on the ocean. And the breakfast, buffet, restaurant, bar all sit here overlooking a private beach right on the ocean. So this really was just a wonderful place to stay. I really want to stay more in the smaller towns. This is Hua Hin, I believe that's how you say it. This is how you spell it, which is a very popular, bustling town. Lots going on here. Not quite as authentic, much more tourist. But if you're gonna stay in a tourist area, I mean, come on, what better way to do it than this? Let's put down some miles and see where we end up today. I did y'all wrong. I just ate this delicious meal and didn't even tell you what it was. But let's go check it out and see what it's gonna cost me. I did have an espresso as well. Who do I pay? I pay you? Oh no. 100 baht? So 100 baht with a 31 exchange rate, that's like $3. Not bad at all for a meal. Now we're gonna go back here and use the toilet. One of those says men. I do not know which one. This is the experience you get in the toilet when you're in these villages. This is how you flush or wipe yourself. You squat over this thing right here if you're gonna poop. Oh, it's not made for tall dudes like me. Luckily, I'm not pooping. All right, time to return to the road. All right, we are on the road headed south. And I gotta tell you, I think I like the north much better. I like the small villages and the winding roads and just the mountain air. But even down here, it is nice riding because you realize that it's so much different. Oh, that's cool. They realize that it's so much different than riding in America because you don't have police all over the roads looking to ticketed citizens or tourists to generate income. You know, you're free to kind of do what you want. Like the speed limit on this road might be, I don't know, 60 kilometers an hour. But if you want to do 150, nobody's going to give you a hard time. Like, as long as you're not hurting anybody or endangering anybody, everybody just kind of wants you to go about and do your thing and enjoy your day. It's ironic because it's just so free feeling. And I know in America we say we're the land of the free, but our government has really gotten to the point where, I mean, we just get ticketed and regulated for everything. Okay, so it's 90 kilometers an hour right now. I've ridden out here for just over a week, and I've yet to see one car pulled over for anything. Actually, I think I'm almost on 2 weeks. And no, nobody's getting pulled over. Nobody's getting pulled over. They're just not targeting their citizens for income. It's pretty wild. It makes it enjoyable, you know what I mean? If you gotta go around the car on one side or the other, nobody cares. I mean, here we are, it's 90 kilometers an hour. And this guy's passing me, I'm doing 115 right now. And it's just no big deal. Look, I'm gonna get past again. Everybody just kind of, if the road's open, it's clear, you got a clear path, you go as fast as you need to go. So you'll see in Thailand, there's this white line here, and it separates what in America would be the shoulder. But in Thailand, there's so many scooters and so many motorcycles that it's kind of used as, I don't know if it's official or not, but it's used as a motorcycle lane. So in situations like this where the traffic's backed up, we have our own motorcycle lane. And it works the other way too. It keeps the bikes over here when traffic's going faster, so they're not jamming up the road over there. And if you're on a big bike that can go fast and use this, well, then you're in double good position. Okay, here is something completely different between America and Thailand. Sorry about the jackhammering in the back. So in America, the gas stations are like supermarkets. They have food, restaurants, supplies, everything else. In Thailand, they take their gas stations and they build strip malls around them. So you've got all these different little stores, coffee shops, eateries. Let's see what this lady's making here. Oh yeah, those are those coconut things I ate the other day. Delicious, right? Looks good. Cell phone stores. And a lot of 7-Elevens all over Thailand. Every town has 15 7-Elevens. I just love how they set these stores up on those mini bikes. It's pretty cool. And even here you can see like the motorcycles just use the construction lane at will, both direction. That's the lane for going that way. This is the lane for going this way. And he's going backwards into construction zone. I mean, when in Rome, my friends, that's one thing I've learned about traveling, is do as the locals do. It's wild because things will be so flat and then you'll just have like a mountain like this poking up. Just all beautiful. It's been flat for hours. And then there's that. You see here the scooters are using that left lane now for transport. You know, and that keeps them out of the main traffic. You know, because they can't go as fast. But then when main traffic gets backed up, they've got an advantage there. Like I said, I run with no real plan other than I'm on my way to Phuket, and I just figured I'm done riding for the day about, I don't know, 5 hours in or so. So I just, when I'm doing this and I'm looking for a place to sleep, wow, look at how pretty is this. When I'm looking for a place to sleep, what I'll do is I'll just ask AI. I'll just say, hey, listen, here's where I'm at, and I'll tell them what I'm looking for. In this case, I said, listen, I'm headed to Phuket. I'd like to find something within an hour's drive that's going to put me on a beach, but not touristy. I want to stay local and be able to experience the local culture. They found me a hotel that it said should be just precisely that, and it's like $18 a night, has a pool and private beach access. What more can you ask for? Now let's see how well AI did when I'm leaving my evening up to its hands. Well, this really is magnificent. I'm driving through these palm tree jungles. The roads are pretty narrow, but it's just palm trees. This definitely feels a lot like what I expected Thailand to be. Well, I said I want it remote, local, away from tourists. It would appear artificial intelligence delivered. I don't know what's going to be at the end of this road for me for sleeping tonight, but we are going to find out together. I know we are long. I'm hungry, and I hope there's something to eat down here. I can tell you that. Okay. Here we go. I think I keep going straight. Oh, wow. Okay. Well. Very interesting. I don't know what's up with this water. I'm guessing that's our place there. Looks nice. Looks real nice. All right. This way? Oh, this is some thick sand. Ooh, we are skating in sand here. Gonna try to stay in this rut and not fall down. Oof. Oh God. This is some sugar sand. Here we go. All right. Oh, that one was close. Hello. It's okay, puppy. Well, hello, little one. Many dogs. It's okay. I love dogs.
The dog on the beach. I will take care.
It's okay. I like puppies. They're okay by me.
At night, they not sleep.
Oh no.
They walk. I wake up. Wake up. Shut.
It's okay.
Stop.
It's okay. The beachside room. Oh, we're gonna go raper the belly rubs, huh? Okay, good puppy. Yes, looks like I'm gonna have a friend tonight. Huh? You gonna hang out with me tonight? Can you believe this? $18 a night. Right on the ocean. With a bunch of friends. This is the best Thailand night ever. Nobody's around but you and me. And about a bunch of 30 of your friends. But I'm okay with 30 of this girl's friends. And she just brought me dinner. Look at this. And I got a couple dinner dates too. I mean, that is some good curry, some eggs, some rice, some cucumbers. Got some big chunks of fish in there, including the head. I enjoy eating like the locals. I don't want to be like a tourist in the tourist cities doing the things all the tourists do. I want to be out here, my motorcycle, the waves, the local food. I mean, in my opinion, this is why I ride, to experience the world, not just see it. And I don't want to experience it from a tourist perspective. I want to experience it from as close to local life as I can get.